Hey guys, I thought I would share with you some Trader Joe's holiday items I picked up. I stocked up on all my favorites, and these are really great gift ideas. This is a box of like chocolate covered crackers. These are incredible. If you've ever had that Christmas dessert where it's like saltines with chocolate, this kind of reminds me of that, but it's got toffee and honey on it. If you like salty and sweet, definitely try these. This is my favorite holiday item, hands down. It's dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's. JoJo's are Trader Joe's equivalent of like Oreos, and at Christmas time they do mint JoJo's, and then this is a specialty one where they cover it in chocolate and then they put crushed up candy canes on it. These are addictive, guys. I can eat that whole box in one go. And then this is a really cool item. It's a specialty box of different chocolate covered JoJo's. So it's kind of like what I just showed you, but you get 4 different kinds of chocolate coverings, and it comes in this beautiful box. This would be a really great gift to bring to somebody's house. That's really, really nice, and it's really hefty. It's a 1.5 pound box. That's really good. So then I also grabbed some of these candy bars. They put out really nice specialty candy bars around Christmas, and I picked these up as stocking stuffers. I love this because, you know, you love to put chocolate and candy in stockings, and that's just a little bit more grown up. Everybody loves this. It's a big hit. I love these cookies that they do. They do a lot of different star-shaped cookies, which are so festive for Christmas. This is a dark chocolate covered shortbread cookie. Shortbread is a great Christmas cookie. And then this is little star cookies, and they're mint. If you like, what is that Girl Scout cookie? Thin Mints. If you like Thin Mints, totally try these. They're really, really good. And then this is a great specialty box of different chocolate covered pretzels. So you get some with candy canes, nuts, little candies, and the box itself is absolutely beautiful. Again, this would be a great gift to bring to somebody's house. This is not really a Christmas item, but they put it out at the holidays. This is my favorite pre-made stock to buy. It's turkey bone broth. This is hands down the best turkey chicken stock I've ever bought. And then I always get Trader Joe's gelt. We do celebrate Hanukkah and Christmas, and Trader Joe's has the best gelt because the coins are different currencies from around the world. It's super, super cute. I love going through it and looking at the different currencies. They have a shekel in here, so I think that's great. I bought a bunch of bags of these to give out to people. And then this is the first year that I bought these, but they have these adorable pet advent calendars. This one is for dogs. I don't have a dog, but I got a few as gifts for friends. And then they have a cat advent calendar, which I thought was really great because this time of year you always see like dog stuff as gifts, but cat stuff not so much. So you get this little advent calendar for cats. I bought a stack of these because I have cats. I've got a bunch of relatives with cats. We're going to be handing these out to everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great weekend. See you tomorrow for the next day of Vlogmas. Bye.